Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to open the box and set up the Fitbit Versa Lite. Let's open the box. So we'll show around how the box looks like, and inside you will find the Fitbit Versa Lite, the instructions, the charger for it, and an extra strap. Here are the Fitbit Versa watch instructions.
Yes. See, it starts. Read it.
To start, download the Fitbit app. Pour a commencer.
So I'm going to download the Fitbit app from the App Store in Apple. You can do the same from Google Play Store and Android. Fitbit. The Fitbit app.
What?
Fitbit, just Fitbit. There are lots of apps. Fitbit Plus, Fitbits. But we just need the green colored Fitbit app. This is the app.
What?
This is the app needed for us. Okay, let's get the Fitbit app. It's getting downloaded.
We had already downloaded the Fitbit app.
Let's open it. What it says, hey, it says something, join Fitbit, login, what's this, there are lots of things you need to do. I need to join Fitbit. This is, here you can select your version of the Fitbit phone. Versa 2, the latest one, Versa Lite, this is the one we have. This is the Versa Lite, Fitbit Versa Lite. Yes. And Versa, the old one, Charge 3, the slim one, Ionic, and Inspire HR, Inspire, Ace 2, Area Air, Area 2,
Ultra HR, Ultra, Flex 2, Zip, Ace for Kids, Charge 2, Blaze, Flyer, Era,
yeah, there are lots of.
Surge, Charge HR, Flex.
Yeah. Do you like the Ace for Kids?
Yes.
Okay. So where is the Fitbit Lite, Versa Lite? Select it. Oh yeah. Here it says setup. Here we need to give the user a name of the person, email, password, etc. to set up the account with Fitbit. Of course, Fitbit is going to collect all the statistics from your phone, and it can sell later to somebody to target the marketing, advertisements, of course. Okay. After entering the password, you got this message.
To get an accurate picture of your activity, please tell us a few things about yourself. Then you have to press Let's Go. What is your birthday?
Here you can enter your email, so that you know how many years of age you are and how much weight you need to have, and how many steps you need to walk in a day, etc.
What is your birthday? Select the. Now we got the Fitbit email. It says action required. Confirm Fitbit account.
Yes, just click on verify. It says thank you, it's been verified.
Your email address has been verified.
And you can start using Fitbit now. Let's go. So
There's a plastic on the watch, and we'll show you an easy way. It's time to pay.
now you see the, yeah, you can uncheck anything if you don't like. Hourly steps, if you don't want to leave it. There are I can scroll up. You can the left and right. Then yeah, settings. You uncheck the hourly, daily. That's it. You come out of settings. You need to press the hard button on the left side. That's strange. There is no way to come out. This is the watch. It's already 10 o'clock. Yeah, looks good. That's all the setup of this watch, and you can see this watch in the phone.
Still 2 more seconds late.
Yes. You can go back to the phone and see what else is there. Notifications with a glance. You can enable notifications here. So calls, you need to set up the calls, text messages, whatever, it will come to the phone. App notifications. So you should make them enabled so that you can see those messages, calls, text messages on the Fitbit watch. It's enabled already. Okay. You can do the workout optimization, but there are lots of steps to go ahead with. Continue. Try it on next. Fitbit would like to make data available to nearby Bluetooth devices. You have to say OK. Next. How to charge the band. The simple steps are given. That's good. Start. Quick tips on Versa Lite. Wear your device and follow the tips on the display. Reveals health stats and shows your latest notifications of the texts, calls, and more. And press and hold the button. You have to press and hold the left side button here for notification settings, controls, and other shortcuts. And swipe left. Press and hold Fitbit. It says Fitbit here. Fitbit sent a message to my phone, my email. Press and hold an app to drag it to a new location. You can just move around the apps like this. Just press and hold. You want to rearrange. Yeah. Wear and care tips are given. Clean your band and wrist regularly with the soap-free cleanser. If the device gets wet, remove and dry completely after your activity. Take your device off from time to time. That's it. If you want to learn more about Versa Lite, you can go there. How to use this very useful information. And close it. That's a done deal. Start. If you want to have premium features, you can start, but you need to pay for that. Remember, if you need, you can enable, otherwise leave it. That's it. Location and Bluetooth settings, it should be enabled. And it's on. Perfect. Come back to the main screen. You can see whatever. Perfect. That's it, Fitbit. Thank you for watching.
Bye.